Mammy, the enemy. Mina means a watching what so many. I see my baby Sawi. And Phoebe be and see me. No could be a woman, catch me. Say no good pia and not the baby many as someone who must see it. Many a consolation. The echoes of your holding in army. And yes, I have me. I am your pa. And this son also a yawa, oh, for your the meaning so good, okay, can name my name is from Palestine, said the baby I had on, and so near my doctor is so a bear. I may was it dear, in once our bottom, Casa and Faquem is in who's only show. Name I knew ye be bad, a general so. Said the movies are awful news. If you are, we'll see you soon. Oh, now while you will see you soon. Where you good at? Debbie. Much say, oh, champion on Prachimuno. Why, you man, no madru. Debbie. Now, Wally ye. One new canoe. Manyam, I'm an assaida. My Debbie. One new canoe. O Brampa, Wanda. Debbie. Because they are a costume, Emily, and Yamido. Met it in me, dear woman, no pa. Shama. And Suma is a woman, no. Woman, why say baby? Say, ne, be not the count your food, name mum. I wanna name my dear. And near me, may show book. Such a mouth walk. If you say you fear, when you any fear, you are sitting with me. You did a penny some that say you will come. Okay, dear, point I see. The make catch on say, I feel I be a friend of real war. A bamboo. I drink. Chama, if you want to me, send your phone, be near me. I feel so. What do you know about that? Catch up with your phone. Send any jacket now, wash it. Near woman and sunshine and even I am on fat. One some. See my catch. Mountain here. Follow the
Tell me. That's so worried too much. Talk to me. Let's see me a lady. How about what's the That is not really too difficult. Come on. Eh? Talk to me.
What do you need from me? Can't you see I want to be on my own?
Relax, you're not fighting, right?
And likewise, I'm not fighting with you. I'm only telling you to let me be, that's all. I just want to be. Huh?
Let's talk. Just let me know what happened.
And I'm not ready to have any conversations with you, that's all. So you're pestering me, can't you see? You're getting on my nerves.
I'm sorry, but just calm down. Let's talk. Eh?
This is the second time you're trying to be difficult on me. I believe this should be the last warning I'm giving to you. If you dare me, you still the strong side of me. Don't touch me! There are men around. Go over there, there are many men over there. Why do you want to sit on my neck? Why are you bothering me? Why? A lady proposing to me, aren't you ashamed of yourself?
I like you, just come on, let's talk.
Then I hate you as well. Sharamuta.
Please, wait! I'm waiting with you!
Ella, are you sure you don't want to drink?
I'm okay.
Very okay? Okay. Yes,
Why did
dear.
we get married?
What do you mean, what we get married?
Because I don't understand.
Is there a problem?
I got married to be happy,
Yes.
to enjoy life, to have peace, to move to another level. But why?
What do you mean, why? You still haven't said anything.
I thought I was getting married to be happy and just smile and feel the world, but mine is different.
Different as in what? I don't get it. You need to just open up. Is there a problem going on?
Since I got married,
Yeah.
I have never smiled. Like, I don't understand. I always cry.
Why?
I don't enjoy the life I used to live.
What do you mean? I don't get it. What's going on? Can you talk to me?
If I say my husband has been unfair or give me problems, I'm lying. But
what?
his
Come
mother,
on, just feel free and talk
his
to
mother
me.
and his brother, they are giving me headache.
I mean,
They are putting me through pains.
really?
God.
What are they saying?
All because I don't have a child.
Really? So that's your problem? Are you God? You are not. I mean, they should just be patient. At the right time, God will provide. It's not everyone who gives birth right from marriage. Others takes a year, 2, 3, even 5. Yes. I got married and after 3 years I had my first daughter and that's it. So, I mean, they should just be patient for you.
If I knew this was going to happen, I would not bring them into our family house. Seriously, because this is too much.
Ella, let me just tell you something. Be patient, pray to God, and at the right time it will come. Yes, that's the truth. Just
That's
forget
when.
about what yet. Why don't you believe in God? It will definitely happen.
Auntie Stevie, please talk to my husband.
I will.
Talk to him for me.
Okay.
Tell him all the words you are saying to me. Let him understand
Okay.
that God's time is the best. I will have a baby.
Definitely. You will. Just believe it. And we are also supporting you in prayers, so it will definitely happen. Yeah? You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sweetie. It's okay. You don't have to cry. Come on. Don't cry, okay? It is well.
I'll take my leave.
Alright then. Say hello to Fee for me, okay? Okay.
He will hear.
The Game Boy.
From the beat.
Hello.
You again? So you are here to embarrass me again?
Not at all. That will be the last thing I ever do.
So what should I do for you?
In fact, I'm here to say I'm so sorry for the embarrassment I made you went through the other time.
Really?
I'm so sorry. And then it wasn't my plans. I mean, you know I'm a gentleman, and a gentleman don't insult or give pressures to beautiful ladies of your type. That whole thing was when my mom called me, I thought it was something serious, something beyond measures. I didn't know it was issues like that. And then you know what will happen at the drinking spot. I saw people were looking at us, and others were even mocking at us in addition. I am so sorry. I only played with you to find a space in your heart to forgive me.
It's fine.
I know what you are feeling. A gentleman of my caliber can't treat beautiful ladies like this. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. But where are you heading towards?
I'm going around.
Wouldn't mind if I give you a ride? I know you will reject it, but I can see you are melting. The sun is scorching. If you don't mind, can I give you a ride? And for you to change the temperature.
Alright.
Thank you. Please. Let me. Ever since we got married, it has been ages. Not even a cry of a baby in this house. And to be a growing, because I am growing. This is the time we need to take care of the baby that will come. But the baby is not coming. So I've thought of going for another woman, getting married to her, before I chose to come and live here. So when she has a baby, when she comes, when the opportunity comes.
What?
Then we'll pay from there.
Fee, what did you just say? You going for what?
Of course, another woman to have a baby with.
Fee, where is the love you told me?
And the love is still there.
No.
The love is still there. I still love you as my wife. Of course, a breadwinner as well.
No, wait. You want to bring in another woman to enjoy my wealth?
Not that per se. It's a matter of giving her chop money, not enjoy your wealth. Your wealth is something huge. How can I allow him to enjoy the world?
That's not going to happen. That's not possible. Please, excuse me. Please, don't.
Baby, what I'm trying to say is, understand me, we are growing. We need to get somebody to take care of at least in future our bona fide properties and manage it well. To hear my client to do say the woman. I never see you. Say even for so bana movie. I say if you see baby, see the commander. It's a matter of we taking the baby. Then allow her to go.
You think I'm stupid? Say that to the birds. Rubbish. Listen, baby.
You? You're not fine? Why? What's wrong?
Please, I was thinking if I could come and stay with you for like 3 days. Because I'm still enjoying my home. Please.
No, Ella. I don't think it's advisable. You know what? It's because you're married. And I'm also married. I can just accept you in my house. And moreover, Fee is my husband's nephew, so I think what I have to do is to just talk to Fee. No, I'm sorry, no, it's not possible, dear. You know what? I understand, but I have to talk to Fee about it again. And I think from there, things will definitely change, okay? But coming over, it's not the best. I'm sorry.
You say no, but just accept me in your house.
No, just be patient, okay? Just be. I'll see what I can do about it. Thank you. Good.
Bye.
Bye, dear.
Okay, bye.
I just don't understand what's going on with these two people.
Why do you have here? Seven. Me casa me pede, me deu o viazi.
Se fio na limba, não é nem sem saber.
Father.
Puxo. Hã? É lá? Puxo. Eu não passo nele. Cadê isso? Eu não passo nele.
Ganhei se fio na limba.
O moado, ó. Eu não casasse. Eu não passo nele. Hã?
Sorry, Quan.
O bem. Onde vem? Hi, Siri. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. Oh my goodness. What kind of stupid question is this? Good answers demand good answers and stupid questions demand stupid answers. Who be some say Obaye and I'm saying, what kind of stupid question is this? I said, hey, maybe a stupid. No, but haven't you realized it's a stupid question you are asking me? What do you about the fear? I don't know. So, I'm the owner of this house, so I have the power to bring anybody in whom I want. Didn't you understand that question? That one is not necessary. So, for the fourth time, so it's a stupid question you're asking me. Now, question of seven, who did that tell you about? So you don't have the right to ask me this question because I'm the owner of this house, so I have the power to do whatever I want. And I'm sir. And I will you. I said, I'm taking care of you. Who buy if you're going out here and then maybe with wire? Because I tell you, someone, me come to buy and I'm toy. Next woman, and I'm going to be it's in those other Baba fear, they want to be Papa. Oh, you didn't know, not Baba fear. That you didn't do yes. Menu, but Bearman will fear, and Mako for Badi and Bethia, and that's a new papa, Mino Papa, and will fear Mako for Bearman. Only money, brain and money over. Only in one day, money over. So should be. So, that's not what's so funny. What's so funny? So, what's so funny? Huh? Hey! So, I respect you so much. Let you respect so much. Once you can see the other side of me, I can throw my guest away. On in my own house, it's going to be yours.
But it's okay.
So,